Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil life on your Lincoln Continental. This is a straightforward process that you can easily perform yourself, saving you a trip to the service center. Keeping your oil life monitor accurate is essential for timely maintenance and helps ensure your engine runs smoothly for many years to come. Let's get started with the first step. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. You'll then use the directional controls, typically found on the left side of your steering wheel, to navigate through the instrument cluster's information display. Scroll until you find the settings menu. This is your gateway to various vehicle configurations, including the oil life monitor. Once you're in the settings menu, navigate down to select vehicle and then proceed to oil life reset. You'll see the current oil life percentage displayed. To reset it, simply press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel for a few seconds. The system will confirm the reset, and your display will show oil life reset to 100%, indicating a successful completion. After resetting, double-check your information display to confirm that the oil life now reads 100%. It's vital to perform this reset every time you change your engine oil to ensure the system accurately tracks your maintenance intervals. Always refer to your Lincoln Continental's owner's manual for recommended oil types and service schedules to keep your vehicle in top condition. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.